If you're looking to buy a hotel, whether you're trying to change the flag, reposition, there's a PIT plan in place and you're looking for funding. What's up, everybody? It's Angelo Christian Financial. Today we're talking about our hotel private bridge loans. We've been specializing in hotel private funding for over 2 decades, and we also offer commercial SBA loans. If you're looking to buy a hotel, whether you're trying to change the flag, reposition, there's a PIT plan in place and you're looking for funding. With our private bridge lending, we can close fast and then also help you to refinance with the SBA loan or a commercial private or bank loan. So please reach out to us. Our minimum loan amount is $2 million. We have no maximum loan amount, so we can close usually within a few weeks. If you're an experienced real estate investor, you know how to run and manage hotels. If you're trying to, buy a property, it's in a great location. We even do USDA if it's in a rural area. So if you want more information about the hotel private SBA funding, up to $100 million, please reach out to Angelo Christian. Give us a call, text my office if we can help you, 832-431-63.